Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. So for today's video guys ay isinasama ko lang kayo dito sa road trip namin. We are at the Doha Corniche Highway right now. At ito ang Qatar in 2024 guys. Ganito na kaganda ang Doha. Malinis, organized, at maayos ang traffic system nila dito. Dagdag pa dyan ang strictness nila pagdating sa paggamit ng mobile phone while driving. Beating the red light, yung pagsuot ng seatbelt, pagsuot ng helmet para sa mga nakamotor, nakabisikleta, at yung mga gumagamit ng scooter as their personal transportation. May penalty din pag nagtapon ka ng basura dito kung saan-saan lang. So lahat dito sumusunod sa traffic laws, kaya naman napaka-organized ng Qatar guys. So actually guys, pupunta kami ng West Bay, pero on the way, talagang madadaanan lagi namin itong Corniche. Kaya naman, sabi ko, okay, I'll take a video para na rin kayong namamasyal habang pinapanood nyo ito ngayon. By the way guys, this video was taken on the third day of Eid at naka-holiday pa rin yung iba dito. Kaya naman, marami pa rin namamasyal sa Corniche sa mga araw na to. Makikita nyo guys, madadaanan namin.
You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like it like that. It's like every time the conversation changes and I want you right back, right back. You say that I'm hypnotic and that I caught you like that. It's like every time I walk into the room, you know you want what I have, I have. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back. Moving in, moving on. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back, but you love me like that. Light bulb goes off in your head. You say I'm a little odd. I love to make a mess. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Oh, 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 oh. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Oh.
So from this road guys, makikita natin yung West Bay. Ayun, nakikita nyo yung clusters of buildings na nasa kabila. Yan yung West Bay. Parang ano kasi ito parang pa-curve. Kaya from here, makikita natin yung West Bay from that side. Ayan, yung mga buildings na yan, yan yung West Bay. So dyan mismo kami pupunta guys.
So down, I turn around and want what I had. I had. I know that it's a gamble to put your heart in my hands.
So ito na guys yung start ng mga buildings na nakita natin kanina, yung clusters of buildings na sabi ko sa West Bay. So ito na yun. Doon lang kami dadaan sa likod para mas maganda yung view na makikita ninyo guys.
Can't tell if I love you right back. Moving in, moving on. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back, but you love me like that. Light bulb goes off in your head. You say I'm a little odd. I love to make a mess. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Oh, 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 oh. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Oh, 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 oh. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Oh.
So ditong area naman na ito guys is yung mga beach resort. Actually, plano sana namin pumunta dito para makapaglaro yung mga bata sa tubig. Yun nga lang kasi, nakalimutan ko yung bag na inimpake ko na naglalaman ng mga gagamitin ng mga bata for swimming. Kaya naman, yun, tinabad na kami bumalik sa bahay. Kaya sabi namin, okay, change of plan. Dadalhin na lang namin sila sa Fun City, sa City Center Mall.
Oh shit, the West Bay beach is so full. Astaghfirullah.
Magpapark na sana kami dito, pero yun nga, upon realizing na hindi namin nadala yung impake kong bag. So dumiretso na lang kami sa City Center. So yung clusters of buildings na itinuro ko kanina guys, eto na yon, ganito yung likuran nun. Ang tataas ng mga buildings dito, kaya naman wala masyadong sikat ng araw. Siguro masarap maglakad-lakad dito, ano. Kasi parang hindi mainit. So sa tingin ko guys, itong video na to is dedicated para doon sa mga kababayan natin na dating nagtatrabaho dito sa Qatar pero nag-retired na. Kumbaga, nag-settle down na sila sa Pinas. So alam mo yon, kung nagtagal ka sa isang country kasi parang mamimiss mo yung country na yun eh. So ito guys yung Qatar para sa inyo. This is how beautiful Qatar now. Napakaganda niya, napaka-organized, napakalinis, mashallah.
Have a moment, and this very second I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California, fly, passing homes, yeah, right by.
Shabazz! But these are for smaller ones. Going.
Why? Come back.
No, in your no, I don't want. No, you go with Papa. I don't want. No. I don't like going, Musa. It's so scary for me. Ooh. No, I don't like this. Actually guys, yung asawa ko mahilig sumakay sa mga rides na yan. Yung mga nakakatakot na rides. Nung kami palang dalawa, lagi akong hinihilang sumakay sa mga rides na yan. Diyos ko, halos mamatay-matay ako guys. Pero ngayon may mga anak na kami, so hindi na niya ako mapipilit. Lagi kong pinangsasanggay yung anak ko, ayan, kunin mo si Musa, kunin mo si Isa, wag mo ako idamay. Kasi ano yun na, ang sesaya ng buhay ko, tapos bibigyan niyo ako ng problema. Ayoko talaga, talagang may phobia ako. Ewan ko, hindi ko kaya talaga guys. Kaya sila na lang. Maybe in the back. So let Isa, is this one? He's scared. He's scared now? He already know the feeling. Isa, good luck. Bismillah. He's scared. Nag-enjoy na si Isa. Kanina takot. Wait, wait.
What happened?
Isa, did you enjoy? Your father again will take you to somewhere more worse. I cannot join you guys. Huh?
Mama, football! Football!
Did Isa enjoy? He was scared, right? I think yes. Oh, Isa. Yan, ito yung mga hilig ni Isa. Yung tatalon-talon. Yes. Napagod. Isa, you're tired. So marami pa kaming nilaro dito guys, pero hindi ko na nakuhanan ng video yung iba kasi syempre nag-enjoy din ako kasama yung mga anak ko. Kaya sumali ako sa kanila. Pag sa rides lang talaga hindi ako sumasali sa kanila kasi hindi ko talaga kakayanin guys eh. I think Musa is winning.
You think you can win on the Papa?
Yeah, you're just jumping, Musa.
Who don't know this?
Musa, you're so... Musa, stop shouting, Musa. Nag-iingay na si Musa.
Let me play with him. Come on. Come on.
No, kalas.
There is one. Walk.
Musa, you're dead.
Wow, Musa and Mama is playing now.
Nandito kami guys sa isang Afghani restaurant. Dito kami magdi-dinner ngayon. Actually, ito yung mga klase ng food na madalas namin kainin. Yung Afghani food, or Pakistani food, or Irani food, or minsan Turkish food. Yun, masasarap kasi talaga siya para sa amin. Minsan kumakain din kami sa Indian restaurant at saka sa Filipino restaurant. Pero napakadalang lang. So, mas prefer namin yung mga ganitong klaseng pagkain guys. Yung proper food talaga siya. Umiiwas kami sa mga junk food like pizza, burger, fried chicken, french fries, yung mga ganun. Hindi kami madalas kumakain nun kasi alam mo na, mahirap na. Tsaka hindi namin sinasana yung mga anak namin na kumain ng junk food. Kaya okay lang din sila sa kung anong choice of food na meron kami. Actually, kaysa mga anak ko, hindi ko sila sinanay na mamimili kung anong pagkain yung gusto nila, na magre-request sila sa akin. Hindi ko sila binibigyan ng chance kasi alam mo, pag sinanay ko sila, ako lang din yung mahihirapan. So, yung ginawa ko is, sinanay ko sila na maging kontento lang sa kung ano yung ihahain ko sa mesa para sa kanila. Pero syempre, sinisigurado ko rin na nutritious at delicious yung pagkain na inihahain ko. By the way guys, kung nagtataka kayo bakit parang nasa loob ko ng isang kwarto, kasi ganito yung setup sa restaurant na ito. Meron silang private room, which is yung ganito kung saan kami naroon ngayon. So, pwede kang kumain dito or pwede rin kayong kumain doon sa labas, sa open table nila. Pero dahil nga may makukulit kaming mga anak, so mas prefer namin kumain dito kasi at least meron kaming sariling privacy.
Give me.
So you ordered, this is tilapia.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
Is it tilapia? Sherry? Oh, it's a sherry fish.
I don't want to eat fish. In
Let's eat, guys.
So ito guys yung aming dinner.
And guys,
Sherry fish.
and guys, don't eat the fish. I hate fish.
Isa hate fish. Musa a hate fish.
Because
Okay, so
I'm
that's a
allergic.
sherry fish in a pulao rice. And this one is a grilled chicken and Afghani pulao rice. And this is our
Yeah, I can see the
chapli
teeth of
kebab.
it. One time.
So that's all for this video guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!